welcome to a new video of Human Made. This time I have a collection of bulbs I'm going to plant. This is the one I'm going to plant. It's the Liatris Spicata blue, and I got a collection of 50 bulbs from Dahlia, Sparaxis tricolor, allium molly, but this time I'm only growing some Liatris and Dahlia. This is the Dahlia bulb. These are the Liatris bulbs, and I'm going to plant them together in one pot. First I will plant the Dahlia. I'm planting the Liatris and the Dahlia together. The Dahlia, this one, is going in front because this one is not going to be that tall. It's around 50 centimeters tall in length, and these are the Liatris bulbs. These ones are going to be bigger, around 70 centimeters. These are the bulbs. They are already growing a little bit, and I will plant them about 10 centimeters apart. This one is already growing, and I'm spreading evenly at first, and then I'm going to put the ones in the middle. This one is already growing. Put them there. This one is further with the growth. This one I put here. This one has a little bit of growth. And you can still put them in the soil, of course. This one is not that far yet, but it's already growing. And then I hope I have a beautiful pot with flowers this summer, because they all flower in the summertime. And the great thing is about the Liatris flowers, they start from the top and they flower to the bottom. And that's pretty cute. Now I put the sand that's left in the bag on top of the bulb. Now I put the soil on top, just regular soil. Just be careful, because the bulbs will, if you put the soil on too hard, they will change direction. So be careful with that, because the roots always need to be down, of course. Just put this soil on there, in between the pot and the Dahlia bulb also, so that it stands up. And put the soil on top of the bulbs. Just be real careful till this point. We skipped forwards now. Now is the pot full of soil. Just press it down a little bit. Just a little bit of soil. Just more. So that's beautiful full pot. And then water it just like you do with your other bulbs. And then I will show you the update video in the coming up videos, and I will thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.